Hi everyone, so this is my second video on identifying regions involving loci on complex numbers. So in this question, we're told that on a single diagram, shade the locus of a point that satisfy this inequality and this one involving the modulus of z. So I've covered in previous videos that the distance of a modulus between a general point and a fixed point, z1, equals a constant which forms the radius of a circle. We've also covered that the argument of a general point minus a fixed point will equal a constant angle we call theta. So in this question, we're going to use these two properties. So we need to begin by identifying the fixed point in the first inequality. Well, this negative z1, if we were to use brackets, we'll have z minus, we need a -1 to make this positive, and we need a positive to make this negative I. So z1 in this case will equal -1 plus I. And this is the fixed point we can plot on our Argand diagram. For the second statement, you can see that the fixed point is going to be at the origin. So we'll say z2 in this case will equal 0. And now we'll plot these on our Argand diagram. So we have the circle at the origin with a fixed radius of 3 units, which is this statement here. So at the origin here, we'll have z2. We also have z1, which is located at -1 and I. So that will be at this point. We'll label this z1. Now we're told that the general point must be within 3 units from z2, so it must be within our circle. We're also told that the argument of z must be between 2 pi over 3 and 0 degrees in a direction parallel to the real axis. So this 0 degrees will be parallel to the real axis, but it can't be equal to 0 degrees, so it's shown that with a dashed line. The maximum the argument can be is 2 pi over 3. So we can show that as approximately here, again with a dashed line because it can't be equal to it. So this angle will be 2 pi over 3 radians. This shaded region then shows all the possible locations of our general complex number z. It is within 3 units from point z2 and has an argument of between 0 and 2 pi over 3 radians from z1. Okay? Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and worksheet from our website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again, and take care.